Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're dealing with a frustrating Chime card that's constantly declining, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll cover 12 simple and effective fixes for 2025, so you can get back to spending without any hassle. Let's jump right in. First, start with the basics. Check your account balance. It's the most common reason for declines, so open the Chime app and make sure you have sufficient funds. Second, verify your identity. Sometimes, Chime flags accounts for security, so go to your settings and complete any pending verification steps. Third, update your Chime app to the latest version. Outdated apps can cause glitches, so head to your app store and install any available updates. Fourth, restart your phone or device. This quick trick often resolves temporary issues with the app or card connection. Fifth, look for any holds on your account. Recent deposits might have a hold period, so check your transaction history. Sixth, ensure your card is activated and not expired. If it's new, activate it through the app right away. Seventh, review your recent transactions for any suspicious activity. If you spot something odd, report it to prevent further issues. Eighth, check your internet connection. A weak signal can lead to failed transactions, so make sure you're in a strong network area. Ninth, adjust your daily spending limits in the app settings if you're hitting your cap. 10th, try using a different payment method temporarily to isolate the problem. 11th, contact Chime support directly through the app. They're available 24/7 and can help with specific account issues. 12th, as a last resort, unlink and relink your funding source or consider resetting your card. There you go. By following these steps, you should have your Chime card working smoothly in no time. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech and finance tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.